Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're talking about MidJourney, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question a lot of people keep messaging me about, and that is, can you delete images in your MidJourney account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, right off the bat, for whatever reason, there's not a way you can delete from your account in MidJourney. There's only two options you can perform in MidJourney. So the first off, you can hide the images. So it's going to be a hidden folder. But if you want to completely delete the image, you're going to have to delete your account, which is kind of strange. I'm not sure why MidJourney does that. Hopefully in the future, you're able to delete images in your folder. So let me go ahead and go over those two options. First off, if you want to hide an image in your MidJourney, click right here on organize. Okay, once you do that, you're going to go ahead and see all the images that you have in MidJourney. You see I have these 7 right here, and you're just going to go ahead and drag and grab all the images that you want to hide. So we can grab these 4, or what you can do is you can hold the shift key and then just choose each images that you want to hide. So the images that are a little bit smaller, those are the ones we've selected. Okay, once you've done that, all you're going to do is just click over it, right click, and then click on hide one by one. If you don't want to do it one by one, what you're going to do is go right down here to the bottom once you've highlighted them, and then click on more, and then click on hide. And as you can see, those images are now hidden. So in order to see them, you would need to go over here to filters and then click on hidden. Now you'll see all of your hidden images. Now, if you want to delete all of the images in your MidJourney, you're going to need to go here to your account down here on the bottom left. Once you do that, go ahead and click on manage subscription. All right, once you do that, you're going to see more information about your subscription in MidJourney, and you just want to scroll down until you see this FAQ section, and then you want to click here. How can I delete my account? Once you open that up, you're going to see this little orange button. Click here. Okay, once you do that, you want to go ahead and choose this, delete my account. Now they do let you know deleting your account will permanently delete all of your images. That's going to happen after 7 days. It's not going to be immediate. I'm not going to do that because I still use my MidJourney account. So unfortunately, that's the current way to be able to delete your images in MidJourney. Hopefully in the future, they roll out that option to go ahead and delete all the images right from your folders. If you're watching this video in the future and you know that MidJourney has rolled out that feature, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.